Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A79, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now here we should have Do Not Disturb mode on one of the pages, though it could be possible that it's not added by default, and it looks like that is the case. So anyway, we will need to add it manually. So we're going to click right here on these three dots, and then we're going to select Edit Tiles. Here you can see there's the toggle Do Not Disturb mode. Click on the plus button, it will get added to your toggles, and when you go back you should have access to it. Now before you tap on it to turn it on, I highly recommend holding in the toggle and then selecting More, which will take you to the settings. Here you can customize how the actual mode will function when enabled. Now we do have the Enable button right here, though I would completely disregard that here because you can quickly do it from the notifications. Now below that we have Schedule, which allows you to select a fully automatic schedule which will turn the mode on and off at a provided start time and end time, and also day of the week. You can customize these, you can create multiple of them that will be running simultaneously, and if you're planning to use any kind of schedule mode, just make sure that it is toggled on in here, and that's all you would need to do. Now going back, we have exceptions for people, which here you can select who can call you. So we have none, favorite, or contacts. And then below that we have a ring for repeated callers, which looks to be enabled by default, which allows this option to bypass this option. So just to explain it, if we select none here, so no one should be able to call us. If this is enabled and someone calls us twice within a 3-minute period, they will bypass whatever we have selected right here, and the call will go through. It's a good option to have enabled in terms of emergencies. Usually people will spam call you, meeting this requirement, and hence you can just pick up and know that someone is really trying to get a hold of you. And then you can also add exceptions to applications. So for instance, apps can give you notifications, though I personally prefer to keep it at none. Anyway, you can close this, and whenever you want to enable your mode manually, you can just simply tap on it, select turn on, and that's it. It's now enabled. Now here we don't have an option to turn it off after a specific set of time, so you will need to remember to turn it off yourself once you're done needing it. So just pull down your notifications once more, tap on it once again to disable it. Now, like I mentioned before, if you're planning to use schedule, once it's enabled in the settings there, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to turn it on or off, meaning the mode in here. Just toggle it, toggle the schedule, and you're good to go. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.